Welcome to the Online Income Revolution podcast. This is the show where we help you unlock the secrets to making money online, building a digital business, and achieving financial freedom from anywhere. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, we've got the tips, tools, and inspiration you need to succeed. Make sure to subscribe now and turn on your notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. We've got incredible insights coming your way. Let's dive into today's episode.
All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive. This time we're going to be talking about something that is very important in today's world, and that is digital skills.
Yes.
We've got some fascinating excerpts for this deep dive. And what I'm really interested in is not just learning about what these skills are, but also how they can really help us reach our full potential.
Yeah.
Both in our careers and just, navigating this increasingly digital world we live in.
Absolutely. I think it's something that is impacting every aspect of our lives, and it's only going to continue to grow.
So maybe let's start by just defining what we're even talking about here when we say digital skills.
Mm-hmm.
Because one of the excerpts talks about, using devices, apps, networks,
Right.
being able to find information online.
Mm-hmm.
But is that really all it is? I feel like it has to be a little more than just, clicking around.
You're absolutely right. It's so much more than just the basic ability to use a computer or a smartphone. Think about it this way, knowing how to read is essential, but digital literacy is a step beyond that. It's not just about decoding the words on a website. It's about being able to evaluate the information, understanding the context, knowing how to use it to create something new.
So you're saying critical thinking is a big part of this?
Huge for it, yeah.
Which makes sense. I mean, especially now when misinformation can spread so quickly.
Absolutely.
Speaking of spreading, the excerpt really emphasized how important this is in the job market.
Mm-hmm.
So is it really every single job needs these skills now, or is that a little bit of an exaggeration?
I wouldn't say every single job, but the vast majority are being impacted by technology in some way. You think about healthcare, for example. Nurses are using electronic health records now. Doctors are consulting with patients remotely. Even medical equipment is becoming more and more digital. So really, these digital skills are not just for the IT department anymore.
That's true. It makes you wonder, what's it going to be like in 5 or 10 years? I mean, are even entry-level jobs going to require you to know how to code or analyze data?
It's definitely a possibility, and it's something that anyone entering the workforce should be prepared for.
Yeah, it's a little bit intimidating, but...
Yeah.
Okay, so we talked about how it's important for work, but the excerpt also mentioned how digital skills can be really empowering on a personal level.
Well, I think about how we learn, connect, and express ourselves these days. A lot of it happens online.
Right.
And having these digital skills allows you to kind of take control of your own learning. You can connect with people all over the world, even build a platform to share your own ideas. So it's really about becoming an active participant in this digital world rather than just a passive consumer.
Yeah, you know what? I'm starting to see this less as a checklist of skills and more like a mindset.
I like that.
It's about being adaptable, being curious, and being ready to embrace these new ways of doing things.
You're absolutely right. It's not just about the tools themselves, because those are constantly changing. It's about cultivating that digital fluency, that ability to learn and adapt to this ever-changing digital landscape.
So we've learned that digital skills are essential for work, and they're also about unlocking your potential as a person, learning new things, connecting with the world. And, it's actually pretty exciting when you think about it.
It is.
But it also kind of leaves me with a question, which is, if this stuff is changing so fast,
Yeah.
how do we even know what specific skills we should be focused on?
That's the million-dollar question. And I think, knowing how to learn and adapt is probably the most valuable skill of all. It's about constantly evaluating what technologies are emerging in your field, what tools can help you reach your goals, both personally and professionally, and being willing to invest the time and energy to learn those things.
Those are some really great points and some really great questions for everyone to be thinking about. So I think on that note, we will wrap up this deep dive.
That sounds good.
But everyone, please do not stop exploring, because this digital world is vast and the possibilities really are endless. So we will see you next time for another deep dive.
See you then. Bye.